Well, good morning. I hope everybody is having a wonderful, blessed day. Oh, we are doing some much needed mowing and weed eating around the greenhouses. But I'm going to take a stop here and do some harvesting. I've got sweet peppers to harvest and super hots to harvest and tomatoes to harvest. This video will not cover the tomatoes. We're going to talk about peppers, pepper varieties, sweet and hot, and some super hots. So with no further ado, let's get into this. So as you can see, we're behind on weeding. We're trying to get caught up. Alyssa's doing some mowing. I was mowing over here, did some mowing and weed eating through this area. This has got to be taken care of this weekend. We have got tomatoes just hanging in wads that's got to come off the vine. I've got some red bell peppers that are ripe that have to come off, and over there I've got some hot peppers. So let's get in here and let's see if I can show you what we got. Now this is our Sprinter Red Bell. That's a good looking pepper right here. We'll see what it looks like when we get it off the vine. Oh, sorry about the camera. Hard to maneuver in here. Thought y'all might want to see though. Cobwebs on it. See how big that is. They make a beautiful, beautiful pepper. So let's go down through here and see how many I got. Okay, I went ahead and brought these in so they wouldn't be sitting out in the sun. That's the Sprinter Red Bell, and these are Melina. I had a lot more Melina than I did the Sprinters, but now I've got a lot of Sprinters that are half red, so time is coming. I got a couple that's got some bad spots on them right there, and we'll keep these for ourselves. We'll cut out the bad. These will get froze or put in salsa or sauce that we can. So, all right, let's go get these hot peppers. Looking forward to seeing what's starting to ripen on these other sweet peppers and hot peppers. Okay, well here we have an orange tie SSE. So these are actually already pre-sold. Let me get these harvested, and I will need some red ones also. Got an assortment that's going out. We sell a lot of peppers online through our website and through our Etsy store, and we do a local online market, and then we do 2 in-person markets also. But the orange tie SSE is a bit small, but it's got some great flavor and some good kick. I had some potatoes, sweet peppers, and hot peppers the other day for lunch, and this was one of the 3 hot peppers that went in my dish. These plants are a little bit of a pain to harvest because they grow so thick. I dropped my pepper. There it is. It made it to the ground. So I've got quite a few of these. And behind it here I may have Bangalore Whippet's tail. If you're familiar, that's one that Chili Chunk grows, if you know who that is. If not, you can check him out on YouTube. And he's got a hot sauce that he makes with that. I've got his book. Not advertising for him, and I'm not sponsored by him. Just kind of like him. So I got his recipe book, so I want to make his hot sauce this year. So I think I got 3 of these Bangalore Whippet's Tail. This one, you may ask why I got these right here. Well, this greenhouse that's not finished will hopefully be covered before bad weather gets here. And if it is, then I'll be able to grow these peppers in here probably up in through December, unless we get a really heavy freeze. So these are going to be, I got 1 of each of these varieties that I've got in here. I hand-picked the ones that I wanted, and so there'll be 1 of each in here to keep me going on fresh peppers for me and for my customers, hopefully up through December. Now, the Bangalore Whippet's Tail, it's not quite ripe. I'm going to show it to you if I can get you in here. So, I think you all can see that pretty good. Big long pepper. That will be ready another day or 2. Wait and let them get peak. Next to this we have, I'm trying to find a tag. Okay, so next to this I have some Anaheims. So I can go ahead and be picking these at this stage. Most people eat an Anaheim green. I like them when they just start to turn. But go ahead and pick them these. We'll get some load off this plant. And I may have some stuffed Anaheims for supper. So, you guys see these? I think I might have 1 more in there to get. Actually, I think I've got 2 more to get out of there. Got a support string. I gotta try not to cut my string. So that will allow this plant a little time to grow, produce some more pods as it's already flowering, get some energy off of it. Get 1 more of that. Okay, so I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Anaheims. Some pretty good sized ones too, so very happy with that. Very happy with that. Alright, let's move on down the line. Okay, here are my Sugar Rush creams. Now, I'm not going to harvest any of these today. There's a few that's ready, but I've got a large order of these going out this weekend, so we're just going to let them ripen. Back here, you'll see my yellow Jamaican mushroom. My camera overheated, so I couldn't show you. I harvested my first 4 of those. And here, I have my habanero plant. Been wanting to grow these for a few years. That's the first one. Kind of small, but they get bigger as the plant gets bigger. So the rest of these guys need maybe, that might be ready. Several more there will be ready in a couple of days. Now, here we have a chocolate skunk, getting real close to being ripe. Back here is my dragon's breath. And here is my NuMex Easter. I've got a few of these. They are very compact, very ornamental plants. I don't think I've eaten one yet. I may have to try one tonight. I've been picking and selling a few, but I am pretty confident I haven't eaten one. Now they ripen from this dark purple, medium purple, like a lilac color, through to almost a white color, and then they start turning orange, and then they get much more orange. Edible at any stage, but as with any pepper, the more ripe it is, the better it will be. Now, I have got, let me try to get here without breaking a pepper, a surprise. This is the first Red Naga Brain. Little plant's a little slow to get going. I've actually got two of them in there. So, looking forward to trying these out. Now, let's see if I've got anything else in this section ripe. Carolina Reapers, a little slow to get going as always. Something looks like might be ripe down here. What do we got here? Let me get down here and see what we got. It's chocolate, whatever it is. So, see if I can find the tag on this plant. It could be a habanero, chocolate hab. Well, that would be my guess, but the tag is gone. Okay. Now, back here in this pepper jungle. So, I got red ghost peppers getting close. And there you'll see, not quite ready yet. This is my Santo Domingo Pueblo. I've got a few of them, not up here, but in. It's a pretty darn good producer. Sorry about the camera action. Doing the best I can do. Broke the plant. Happens sometimes. Well, here's the finish up of the harvest from that little area. And like I said, it's not much. Them things are just starting to produce. So, you take the small harvest with the big ones. These are some small Anaheims from a plant that I'm growing in a pot from last year. If it got fed better, it would do better. Got a little bug damage. But the teal that I knocked off while checking the plant, so it's not ripe. And that should be a chocolate habanero, like I said. These are the Santo Domingo Pueblos. There's my whole 2 habaneros. Some Caribbean red habaneros. This is my favorite habanero. This comes in real close though. This is the Puma habanero. The NuMex Easters. The Red Naga Brain. This is a Tabasco style pepper. The Orange Thai SSE. There are my beaver dams. A little dirty, but these are the yellow Jamaican mushrooms. Picked 5 of them. And these are the Malawi bird's eye. Real pretty pepper. A couple of fatales. I picked a few of them already this year, but they're coming in slow. Black Hungarians. That's a sweet pepper. It's a Tinkerbell. It's a small miniature bell pepper. Bigger than a mini bell, but great size for stuffing and adding to a plate for side. And these are some brown jalapenos. Now last year I didn't have a lot of trouble with my brown jalapenos turning red, so I don't know if I've got some crossing going on. You can see the brown there. I don't know if I got some crossing going on or what. I guess I'll find out tonight. So if it is, I may have to be buying seeds this year if I don't turn out for a plant that produces brown jalapenos. I've got several planted, so we'll find out. But anyway, I'm very happy with this. Oh yeah, and then there's the Anaheims that we picked. You know, you can see size difference from one in the ground that's being slightly better taken care of versus one in a pot that doesn't get watered enough. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave you. Gotta label these and put them away. And it's date night, so I gotta get ready starting to fix something. It's going to have peppers in it. Alright, y'all have a good evening. God bless you.